How do heat pumps work? Homebridge Canada offers Daikin, the best air source heat pumps on the market. In this video, we will cover the following topics: how a heat pump works, are heat pumps efficient, and where is a heat pump recommended. An air source heat pump works very much like an air conditioner. An outside unit is connected to an inside unit by a line set. This is filled or charged with a refrigerant. In the air conditioning mode, the refrigerant travels in one direction and gets condensed in the outside unit. This cools the refrigerant. It then travels to the inside unit where it cools the coils. Air passes over the coils, cooling the space. Daikin air source heat pumps can extract coolness from the air up to plus 60 degrees Celsius. In the heating mode, the refrigerant travels in the opposite direction, where the outside unit expands the refrigerant, making it warmer. It then travels to the inside unit, where it heats the coils. Air passes over the coils and heats the space. Daikin air source heat pumps are able to extract heat from the air down to minus 25 degrees Celsius. Heat pump efficiencies are measured by three factors: SEER rating, or Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, and COP, the Coefficients of Performance. SEER is the same rating that all air conditioners are rated on. The higher the SEER number, the more efficient the air conditioner. Most air conditioners today are 13 to 24 SEER. The heat cycle of the heat pump is measured by the HSPF. The higher this number, the more efficient the heat pump. A coefficient of performance is how all heating systems are rated. The higher the COP number, the more efficient the heating system is. We are all familiar with gas furnaces and the percentage of efficiency. High efficiency furnaces range from 95 to 98% efficient. This means for every dollar spent on fuel, 95 to 98% is converted into heat. Electric baseboards have a coefficient of performance of 1 to 1, meaning for every dollar spent on electricity, you get a dollar in heat. That's pretty good, except electricity is expensive. Ask anyone who's heating a home this way. You also don't have centralized air conditioning. A Daikin air source heat pump has a COP of up to 1 to 4.56, meaning for every dollar you spend on electricity, you get up to $4.56 in heat. That's right, up to $4.56 of heat for every dollar you spend on electricity. Now, it's an up to amount because Daikin air source heat pumps work down to minus 25 degrees Celsius. The COP starts to drop off around minus 15 degrees Celsius. Most air source heat pumps are very expensive and only work to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Daikin is a world leader in air source heat pumps, producing a heat pump that outperforms most traditional ones at a very reasonable price. Daikin's air source heat pumps have a SEER rating of up to 17.9, an HSPF of up to 12.5, and a COP of up to 4.56. Air source heat pumps can be used anywhere, but should be seriously considered in a few situations. If you want to improve the heating or cooling in one area of your home, if you live out in rural areas having access to expensive heating options, or you heat your home with electric baseboards. If you just want to heat or cool one area of your home, a Daikin single-zone air source heat pump will provide that area with heat in the wintertime and air conditioning in the summertime. If you live out in a rural area where affordable natural gas is not available, you have to use oil, propane, or electricity, all expensive options. The Daikin Fit heat pump can be used with an electric air handler, a natural gas or propane furnace. And because it's an air source heat pump that provides heat to as low as minus 25 degrees Celsius, you will rarely have to use the electric air handler or the fossil fuel furnace, saving you thousands on your heating. Your heating costs will be like running a couple of light bulbs. A heat pump system's great if you're using electric baseboards. If you've ever heated your home with electric baseboards, you know how expensive that can be. It can also be very expensive and messy to convert your home to a forced air system with the cost of the system and all the drywall work needed to hide the ductwork. A Daikin air source heat pump multi-zone system can provide your home with affordable heating and centralized cooling without all the mess and expense of re-drywalling your home. As you can see, heat pumps have many applications, with cooling available to plus 60 degrees Celsius and heating available to minus 25 degrees Celsius. You would rarely need a backup heat source, and you never need a backup cooling source. Just as important as the heat pump is the installation company. Homebridge Canada was established in 2001. All of our technicians are fully licensed and qualified. They're all employees, not subcontractors. They're all factory trained. They're all WSIB compliant, and they're all fully insured. So if you're interested in a heat pump, give us a call in Simcoe County at 705-722-0209 or in York Region at 905-954-3800.